Hey, be brave family. Glowing Star, today we've got a truly inspiring story about resilience and community spirit. Join us as we dive into the life of Hiroshi, a master carpenter from a small village in Japan, whose journey teaches us the power of starting over and the importance of patience. Whether you're facing your own challenges or simply in need of a motivational boost, Hiroshi's tale is sure to uplift your spirits and remind you that with determination, anything is possible. Hiroshi is a renowned carpenter living in a secluded village nestled in the green hills of Japan. His small workshop, surrounded by bamboo trees and flower gardens, sits at the heart of the village. Known for his craftsmanship, Hiroshi is a calm and skilled man, admired by the villagers who lovingly call him the Spirit of Wood. One night, a devastating fire reduces Hiroshi's workshop to ashes. His wooden materials, years of labor, and art pieces are all gone. Standing amidst the smoldering remains, Hiroshi feels a pang of despair. However, the village community rallies around him, offering their support. Together, they decide to build a new workshop. Through this challenging process, Hiroshi discovers the strength of solidarity. The village youth join him, constructing a new workshop piece by piece. Each wooden plank becomes a symbol of rebirth. Finding the courage to start anew, Hiroshi begins working in his new workshop and starts teaching carpentry to young villagers. He explains to them that every piece of wood tells a story. The scratches on a tabletop, the carvings on a chair's legs, each detail holds meaning. Hiroshi's students not only learn woodworking but also life lessons. He teaches them that with patience and determination, any challenge can be overcome. Hiroshi's story symbolizes the village's transformation. The fire didn't just destroy a workshop, it ignited a community's spirit of togetherness. Hiroshi's resolve to restart inspires everyone and brings hope. The villagers pass down the story of the Spirit of Wood through generations. Hiroshi's legacy teaches the importance of working not just with wood but with hearts. Thanks for watching. Be brave, family. Hiroshi's journey reminds us that every setback is an opportunity for a comeback. Remember, no matter how tough the challenge, patience and community support can help us rebuild and rise again. If you enjoyed this story, please like, share, and subscribe for more uplifting content. Keep believing in yourself and stay brave.